Hi guys, Mike with Lakeshore RV. I'm here with the Forest River 28 FK. This thing's gonna have a starting price of $33,697 or about $270 a month for qualified buyers. We finance nationwide, so you don't have to worry about that. We also ship it nationwide, so we're gonna take care of all that for you. With any questions on this camper, give me a call or text 231-215-2750. Reach out to us at the store. That's gonna be 231-788-2040, or check us out on the website, lakeshore-rv.com. Let's check the rest of this thing out. Huge front kitchen in this model, and as far as towability is concerned, we're gonna have a total length of 32 foot 7 inches and 6,500 pound dry towing weight. Guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, call or text me at 231-215-2750. Reach out to us at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. Keep in mind we do nationwide financing, and we also offer nationwide shipping, so we can handle everything right here at Lakeshore RV. Thank you so much for the watch.